Have you ever been so close to giving up that you started questioning if all your effort was even worth it? Every trip will have times when exhaustion, uncertainty, or adversity seem insurmountable. You might want to give up on the dream, to stop trying, to take a step back. That's the exact time you need to stop and remember why you started. There was a spark at the beginning of your journey, whether it was in education, employment, relationships, fitness, a creative endeavor, or a personal metamorphosis. You might have been motivated by a desire to prove yourself, a sense of obligation to others, a vision of a better life, or an uncontrollable enthusiasm. Your anchor is that why. That initial goal might help you stay grounded and rekindle your motivation when challenges arise. Remembering where you started has several benefits. It first serves to remind you of the importance of your objective. When difficulties say that it's too hard, you can quiet that voice by keeping in mind why you are working and how important this is. Second, it enables you to see your progress every little step, every obstacle surmounted, and every lesson gained. That growth serves as proof that you are not beginning today at the beginning. Third, it helps you rediscover your identity and hope. You began for a purpose greater than the discomfort you are experiencing now, and rediscovering that purpose can help you stay persistent. When you want to give up, you're usually preoccupied with the suffering, the challenges, or the distance left. However, you might regain your bravery if you ask yourself, why did I choose this? The emotional strain shifts from hopelessness to resolution. Journaling your initial objectives, imagining your ideal result, or speaking with someone who supported you early on are all examples of tiny reminders that can help you stay grounded. That is not to argue that being persistent equates to being blindly stubborn. Occasionally, the why changes. You might need to revise your aim, take breaks, alter your strategy, or modify your plan. However, giving up too soon, such as the day before a breakthrough or before the fruits have ripened, might cause regret. When success is just around the corner, a lot of individuals give up. Deliberately slow down the next time you feel like giving up. Take a breath. Get back in touch with your initial goal. What made me start? What do I really desire? And why is it important? Even if it's only a small step, let that response direct your next course of action. This trip wasn't started for nothing. Let your why be the constant spark that endures. Remember, every great journey starts with one reason to keep going. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay motivated with us every week.